Notify Visitors Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Notify Visitors are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its features, target audience, and whether it's the right email marketing tool for you. Notify Visitors is an all-in-one customer engagement platform that goes beyond email marketing, offering automation, push notifications, SMS, and in-app messaging. It's designed for businesses looking for a multi-channel approach to customer communication, making it ideal for e-commerce, SaaS, and enterprises focused on user retention. One of its standout features is its behavior-based automation, allowing businesses to trigger emails based on user actions, such as abandoned carts, page visits, or signups. The drag-and-drop email editor makes designing campaigns simple, while A/B testing ensures optimized subject lines and content for better engagement. Advanced segmentation helps target the right audience based on behavior, demographics, and purchase history, increasing the effectiveness of campaigns. Unlike basic email marketing tools, Notify Visitors integrates multiple communication channels, including web push notifications, SMS, WhatsApp, and in-app messages. This makes it highly effective for businesses that want to create personalized, multi-channel marketing strategies without relying on multiple platforms. The Analytics dashboard provides real-time insights, tracking email opens, clicks, conversions, and even user journeys across different channels. Pricing is competitive with a free plan that supports basic email marketing and paid plans offering scalable automation and multi-channel messaging. Compared to competitors like MailChimp or Sendinblue, Notify Visitors excels in automation and cross-channel marketing, but may not be as feature-rich in email template variety and integrations. Customer support is responsive, offering chat and email assistance, but some users report a learning curve due to its wide range of features. Overall, Notify Visitors is a solid choice for businesses looking for an integrated email marketing and customer engagement platform. If you need more than just email campaigns and want automation across multiple channels, it's a great solution. Check the links in the description for more details.